Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? So today is my cleanse day, and I'll be sharing with you this very powerful medicinal green cleansing smoothie that will help cleanse waste from your system, making your skin look dull, because if your system is congested with waste that you don't flush from all these acidic foods, all the dirt we consume knowing and unknowingly, they stay in your system, culture bacteria which can even cause diseases and the rest, making your skin look dull, dry, not fresh and brighter, healthy. This is to cleanse and reveal a much more brighter, clear and beautiful skin tone, plus good health as well. So for best results, you want to blend and drink everything at once on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, so no food or oil interrupts the cleansing process. So I'll not waste much of your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. This is something you want to do at least once or twice every month to ensure your system is always clean and you live a healthy life with clear skin as well. So let's get straight into it. So in order to come up with this very powerful medicinal green cleansing smoothie, the first ingredient we'll be using will be cucumbers, and we need one cucumber or half a cucumber depending on the size of your cucumber. So this is the amount of cucumber I'll be using for this smoothie of today. Cucumbers are alkalizing to cleanse and flush out diseases from your system, waste or toxins making your skin look dull, or culturing bacteria in your system, making you always sick. The alkalizing nature of cucumber is to cleanse all those waste and toxins so you can have clear skin, beautiful, fresh looking skin, plus good health as well. Cucumbers are like 86 to 92% water based to support your system with hydration to flush out all those waste and equally hydrate your skin to look so fresh, beautiful and glowy. Hydration is key if you want to have that fresh, plump and beautiful looking skin. Plus, cucumbers are loaded with so many other vitamins and minerals to help for the proper functioning of your system. Cucumbers equally help to cleanse your liver, and your liver in turn now cleanses all those toxins out of your system. Your liver is in good state for you to have a healthy life as well. So this is my cucumber, clean, sliced into tiny sizes. I'll be blending soon. The next ingredient I'll be adding in my green medicinal smoothie will be celery. So these are two stems of celery. So celeries are very good when it comes to clear skin. That is because of the phytonutrients which help to cleanse your system, nourish your system with all the alkalizing nature of it to flush all those waste and toxins out of your system for good health and clear skin. If you want to have clear skin, beautiful looking skin, cleanse your system, celery should be your friend. And these are the stems. Some have leaves, but I could easily just find this with the stems. So if you don't know what celery is, it is everywhere in all the fresh food markets. This is very medicinal, healthy. It cleanses you and hydrates your skin for that fresh, clear and beautiful looking skin. Drinking just celery assures you with a very beautiful and glowy skin. So these are two stems of celery that I washed and sliced into tiny little sizes. So these are my first two ingredients. The next thing I'll be adding in here will be what doctors say one of it a day takes you away from them. That is because it helps with cleansing your system as well, nourishing your system, fighting diseases from your system. Apples, research has shown that apple clears some kinds of cancers in your system, regulates your blood sugar levels. Like, it has so many benefits because of the fiber in it to metabolize sugar so you don't end up with diabetes. It is very healthy, plus it is loaded with vitamin C to give you that healthy glow from the inside, that fresh, plump and beautiful looking skin. So what you want to do is to get one apple, wash thoroughly. As you can see, I got my apple from the refrigerator, so it looks frost-bitten, but that is okay. You can store your fruits, but don't overstore after blending. After blending is when you want to just consume, but you can always store your fruits whole before you blend and just consume everything at once. So don't blend and store for long, but you can store your fresh fruits in your refrigerator. So these are the three ingredients in here: the the cucumber, I keep calling cucumbers watermelon, cucumber, celery, and apple. So I have rewashed my ingredients. Rewashing is key. You want to always rewash your ingredients so you don't put in bacteria or dirt into your system. So now is blending time. You want to put your ingredients in your blender and blend to get a very smooth consistency. So you want to blend to get that smooth smoothie, that you don't get a rough fruit in your mouth. You want to do this. But when I blend my carrot, I like it a little bit rough when I chew it in my mouth. But these greens, I like it when it is really smooth. So this is my green disease fighting smoothie. You want to transfer in your cup and make sure you consume everything at once. You don't want to store, and make sure to consume it on an empty stomach, as I mentioned earlier in the video, so no oil or food interrupts the cleansing process and it easily gets into a clean ready system, active system to cleanse those diseases for you. This is something you want to do at least once or twice every month to ensure your system is always clean and you live a healthy life with clear skin as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.